Okay, I have a lot of people asking me what Bible I'm using. I actually just bought a new one. My friend Lamar told me to buy this one. It is very big, but this is the best Bible you're gonna get. It is a Bible study, but an actual Bible study, not just with space on the side, but they already have all the book separated here, so really easy to find everything. And then every verse is explained. So you don't need any app, you don't need anything else, you just need your Bible and you can study it so easily. It's just, everything is explained. It's incredible. I don't know why I didn't get it before. A little bit more on the expensive side, but it is so worth it. Especially starting to read the Bible and you actually don't know how to study it, everything is right there. Incredible. I'm gonna put the link.